flipping back over to verbs now, away from nouns. We're going to go to verbs. Are is first conjugation. Okay, let's do that again. Are. Good. Turn to your neighbor and teach your neighbor. Are. First conjugation. Okay, good. When we had second conjugation, what did we have? Remember? Array. Array. Okay, turn
like this. It was like this.
I just go out. Array. Okay? So turn to your neighbor and teach them second conjugation. Good. And now for third conjugation, we have the short array. Array. Okay, turn to your neighbor and teach them that. For fourth conjugation, we had array. Okay, turn to your neighbor and do that one. Good. Turn to your neighbor and let's have 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's have ones teach, twos will mirror the motions, and then we'll switch. Go through all four conjugations now.
Second is second. Third is short array. And then fourth is
And switch.
Okay, so first is array, second is array, third is short array, fourth is array.
Very good. Everybody go, woohoo!
Woohoo!
Okay, have a
Yay.
seat. We're going to review the fifth declension endings now. If you remember, we had motions last week that we learned. Let me just pull up my fifth declension. If you want to reference your book, you can look on page 192. So let's have everybody stand up again for fifth declension.
There it is.
So back to nouns. Fifth declension nouns, fifth declension DAs. So we said the A's sound was going to be two A's coming forward. A's. And then for the genitive, we were going to go A-E, A-E. Then we were going to make a circle and go M. And then A with one fist. Back to two A's. A's. Draw a picture of a room. A room. A booth. A's. A booth. Good. Turn to your neighbor when I say teach. Ones will teach twos. When I say switch, we'll switch.
So wait, we're going through all these?
Yes, the endings, yes. The ones we just did. Ready? Teach.
I'll teach you. So,
Okay, now how many ones?
A's.
Oh, wait.
A's.
Oh, that's plural.
M. A's.
A room, a booth, A's, a booth.
And
All right.
switch.
Okay, so it's A's, A-E, A-E, M, A, A's, a room, a booth, A's, a booth.
Good. Turn to your neighbor. Give him a punch with your knuckles and say, way to go.
Way to go.
Okay, good. Have a